What's this one worth?
Shoot, I don't know. What about this one? It's bigger, it's newer.
What about this one? Smaller? Older?
Yeah, but everybody wants those.
So how do I know what to pay?
You know what you need?
What?
You need insights.
Introducing TZ Insights, Auction Result Intelligence. TZ Insights shows you comparable auction results as you shop. Simply subscribe to TZ Insights to get auction results as you shop with information like item description, location, sale price, and even images of the item that sold at auction. The next time you're going to buy at auction, do your homework and bid confidently, knowing you're the smartest buyer in the room.